Collections are a way of organizing your Shopify products. They can be used to create categories on your store or to promote products in sliders or other promotional sections on your site. Collections are accessed from the left-hand menu from Products Collections. Here you can see the collections which have already been created. There are two types of collections, manual and automated. When you're searching for them, you can see them here at the top, type manual or automated. To create a collection, click Create Collection in the top right-hand corner. Here's a manual type collection which I created earlier. Each collection will have a title and a description. If you're using your collections to create your navigation, you should take time to create a compelling title and description, because these will form part of the description of your page that is seen by the search engine. At the bottom here you can see a preview of how it will look to search engines. If we edit the details here, you can see that the page title is constructed from the title, but then you can edit it, and the meta description can be edited separately. The URL and handle is taken from the title, but equally can be changed if necessary. For example, I'm just going to add UK at the end. We need to define the products that go into this collection. We can do this by searching. So if we, for example, search for product, it'll show us that we've got two products in here already, but a third one hasn't been added. So let's just add the third one. And then if you've got a lot of products in here, you can use this filter on the side to edit them. Each collection can have an image. Images should be square, and they're a maximum of over 4,000 pixels. Whatever image you should be of a high quality. At the top here, we manage where the collection is available. So in this case, we have it on the online store, but we've also got Pinterest set up. So if we want to send these products over to Pinterest, this collection is selected for that. If we go back to collections, at the top here, we can select the different types of collections we're going to look at. We were just looking at the manual collections. Now let's look at automated collections. So this one here, scented soap, has been created. That has a product tag equal to scented. If we go into our inventory and we look at that product, we can see that there is a tag which is scented, and that's what is being picked up. So items with these specified attributes will automatically be added to this category. You cannot exclude things. So in this case, product tag is equal to scented. We could add another condition. So for example, we could say the weight is a certain value or the price is a certain value to narrow down the number of products which are in your collection. Once you've completed your collection, you can click View in the top right-hand corner. This will show you how your collection will be displayed on your shop. If we look at the code, we can see the page title and the page meta description are as we define them in the collection. This is the information that gets picked up by search engines. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.